Every decision you make impacts the future of your schools, your staff, and your students. With Gradelink's district login, you have the tools to lead with confidence. The district login provides a single gateway to the data that you need. From one dashboard, you can access reports on key metrics like demographics, academic performance, and attendance. Easily compare data across all schools in your district, drill down into groups of schools, or focus on a single campus. Need to look closer? Search for any individual student to see their demographic and academic details, all at your fingertips. Communication is streamlined too. Send targeted emails to built-in groups like staff, parents, or new enrollees directly from your district portal. Through the Accounts tab, you can grant individual logins for every member of your leadership team. This ensures that each person has secure and personalized access. Curious about activity? The Login History feature lets you see when each team member logs in, providing transparency and accountability. With Gradelink's district login, you're always connected to the insights and tools that empower leadership. Ready to take your district to the next level? Visit gradelink.com.